This video will walk you through how to use the Plan Ahead feature within the Banner registration system. You'll first need to navigate to the My USU Student Portal. From there, under Registration and Classes, select the Registration menu. From here, choose Plan Ahead, and then choose a term from the drop-down that is open for planning. From the Select a Plan page, you can either modify existing plans or create new ones. A preferred alternative to building your own plan is to import your existing plans from DegreeWorks. These are plans that you built alongside your academic advisor. To do that, create a new plan and click on the DegreeWorks Plans tab. Here we see a plan with the courses listed. We can view the sections that are available for each course and add them to the plan, or add just the course and identify the individual sections later. When you're ready to register, you can save time by accessing your plans from the Plans tab, instead of searching for all of your courses individually. In this example, there are no existing plans, so we're going to create a new plan. From here, you can search for classes to add to your plan. It's important to note that the system doesn't do any prerequisite or error checking until you actually go to register for the courses in your plan. Be sure to meet with your advisor to ensure that you are eligible for the courses you are planning on taking. Once we've added courses to the plan, we can add helpful notes on the individual courses or for the plan in general. We can also see on the Schedule tab a preview of the school week with the days and times of the classes in our plan. Save the plan and give it a name. Back on the plan list, we can see the newly created plan along with any notes we added. We can also edit the plan or delete it. If you have questions about this or any other topic related to registration, the Registrar's office is here to help.